You're probably losing money right now, every single month, and you don't even realize it. Random subscriptions, old free trials, apps you forgot existed. It might be $5 here, $12 there, but it adds up fast. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you might save hundreds this year. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find and cancel subscriptions you forgot about. Simple steps, no tech skills needed. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. First, check your bank and credit card statements. This is the fastest way to spot hidden subscriptions. Open your banking app and scroll through the last 2 to 3 months. Look for repeated charges with the same amount. Streaming services, apps, fitness programs, even random websites. If you see something you don't recognize, Google the name right away. Most people find at least one thing they forgot. That alone can save you $10 to $50 a month. Second, check your iPhone or Android subscriptions. If you use an iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions. You'll see everything tied to your Apple ID. Tap any app and cancel instantly. On Android, open Google Play, tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Same idea. A lot of apps renew automatically after free trials. This is where many people get caught. Cancel what you don't use, no hesitation. Third, use subscription tracking apps. Apps like Rocket Money or Truebill can scan your accounts. They automatically find recurring charges. Some even cancel subscriptions for you. It's like having a personal assistant for your money. Super helpful if you don't want to dig through statements yourself. Just connect your account and let it do the work. Fourth, check your email inbox. Search words like subscription, receipt, or payment. You'll find confirmation emails from services you signed up for. Old trials, newsletters, memberships. Open them and look for a cancel link. This step catches things your bank might miss, especially yearly subscriptions. Here's a bonus tip most people don't know. Use virtual cards for future subscriptions. Some banks and apps let you create temporary card numbers. You can set limits or pause them anytime. So if you forget to cancel, the charge won't go through. This protects your money automatically. At the end of the day, this isn't just about saving money, it's about control. Small leaks in your finances can turn into big losses over time. Take 10 minutes today and clean this up. You'll feel the difference immediately. If this helped you, hit like so more people can stop wasting money. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more simple tech tips that actually save you time and cash. And drop a comment if you found a subscription you totally forgot about.